Welcome to the OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's just launch the Gmail application, and after that let's tap on the right upper corner. So now we can see that we are logged into two accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from these accounts or in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device and select Google section. After that, for example, let's select the second account. To remove it, just click on the right upper corner to these three dots and then click here remove account. After that, confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And now in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account. And let's just go back to the application, and here we will check and see that we stay also only with one Gmail account here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.